Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Muppet. Guys, great day on YouTube. On Thursdays is our trash day here at the apartments, and you never know what people are going to throw out. Somebody threw out a Raleigh folding bicycle. The model name is Folder. It's one of those old Raleigh 20s. I checked, and the wheels are true. They're centered, and there's nothing wrong with the axles. Well, I should say the axles seem to turn fine. When the wheel stops moving, it goes backwards a little bit. Same thing with the back wheel. Both the tires were flat, but the tires actually look like they're in usable shape. I don't know if the tube's going to hold. I ordered some new tubes. They're 20 by 1.75. You can tell it's a bicycle made in England, but you can tell it's owned by an American. It has a padded seat over the original leather seat, and it's got a drink holder. If it's got a drink holder, it's an American that owns it, let me tell you. That's the most important thing on a vehicle. I'm kind of excited. I'm going to see if the gears work. Even if they don't work, my plan is to get it running. I don't know if I'll have to do very much to it. I'm not going to renovate it. I'm not going to take it to pieces. I'm just going to get it to where I can ride it. And then I'm going to see if I can put a sail on it. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know occasionally I make videos about sailing bicycles. I've always wanted to make one, and this would be the perfect vehicle. I have another folding bicycle, but it's much bigger and heavier and clumsier to use. This would be the perfect size. So I'm kind of excited to get started on this. Also, I ordered some cleaner. There's different chrome cleaners you can get. Meguiar's makes them. Turtle Wax makes one even. But I ordered that one that Jay Leno advertised on one of his episodes on his car show. I love that channel. He does all those old cars. He did a chrome cleaner. I'm going to try it on these wheels and on the handles and the other chrome parts of I'll even use it on the paint and see what happens. I'll let you know, show it how you, I'm going to learn how to speak English first. Could take a long time. So let me get this out on the road. I'll take it out for a spin now that I put air in the tires. If they are going to go flat, I'll get out there before they go down. I don't know how old this is. You can rub the grease off the axle there and tell there's some numbers. You can look and see what year and month that it was manufactured. It's just Archer, what is it, Archer Sturmey? I forgot the name of that little gear. I'm not sure if the gears are working. But anyway, enough rambling. I think we have something exciting coming in the near future. And don't surprise what people throw out. It just needs a little washing up and cleaning. Just put some air in the tubes and get out there on the road. Alright guys, see you out there.